Guys, my name is Thomas with TMWYT, back again in the home garage. Look who's back again. We got the MK7 GTI dumped out on the winters here in the garage. Look at Josh back here. I swear to God, like 2 videos ago, you said, oh, I'm in college, I'm broke, I can't keep doing mods. But here we are again, doing more mods. And don't mind the Golf R up there. Video coming soon. She mad chilling for the winter. We're getting into her. We're starting the wide body kit. I promise next video, we're just gonna do a quick mod on Josh's GTI. You guys are gonna love this one. My MK7 guys, you guys are gonna love this mod. It's freaking sick, but promise. Next video, there might be 1 video in between it, but in the next 2 videos, we're starting the wide body. We're gonna start it. We're gonna do it. It's gonna be done. Full send. Looks pretty sick up there. Yeah. Looks pretty broken. Okay, we got Josh's car sitting back here, and he's going for like this nice kind of all blacked out look. You know, we got the blacked out V-dub badges back here, which I personally don't like because it just makes him look like a little circle. But to each their own. So we got these stock ass taillights.
They're gross.
He doesn't like them. I think they look okay. They're definitely better than the stock taillights on the Mk6s. The Mk6s, if you still have stock taillights on your Mk6, you tripping. Get them Euro tails, them boys hot. The Mk7 stock ones aren't too bad, but you know, they could be cooler. So, what do you got for us?
New taillights, eBay special.
Ooh, wait! We got the Golf R style smoked lens, so no red at all here. But they're not too tinted, so you can still see everything through there. Try not to get the glare on there, but yeah, full LEDs, Golf R style. So instead of having like kind of the L shapes that we got right here, I guess the sideways 7s,
like the MK7.5 replicas. That's what the
MK7.5. Mm-hmm. Okay, I guess so. Or are they Euro style? Are these Euro style? Are they different in Europe? I don't know. I don't freaking know. I don't know Mk7's very well, but they're different taillight style. They're LEDs. They kind of go stripy to the left and right, and they're smoked, so they're gonna look freaking sick on Josh's car. So we're gonna figure out how to toss them in, let you guys know if the eBay tails are the move. How much you pay for them?
Like $250.
$250? That's a good deal. That's a good deal. That's like what I paid for my taillights on my Mk6. Used. So brand new?
Brand new.
Brand new. Smoked tails.
Tails.
LEDs.
Sequential.
With sequentials? With sequentials? Cause you know, did we do the video on yours? Oh wait, no. We did a video on Jordan's car. The same turn signals that we did on Jordan's car, on Josh's car, the $35, yeah, them hot boys. Now we just need sequential headlights. Those will be coming soon, because headlights are a lot more pricey than these. $35, guys. Link up here if you missed that video. This is a no-brainer mod. This took us like 20 minutes to do on Jordan and Josh's car.
You know what else they haven't seen?
What?
Something pretty nice.
Oh yeah, we upgraded your sub. We tried to do a video on that, but that didn't go very well. So we just kind of upgraded it. So we got the same sub that I now have. Well, I don't have it anymore. I know I'll update you guys soon. I promise. Next video, swear. But the same video or the same sub that I was running. So shouts out to Josh's black and red setup he's got going here. It's looking pretty fresh. Yeah, so we switched it out. Before we had a red leather. Now it's kind of the blood splatter like he's got up on the shift knob, like you saw in one of the other videos. And yeah, we got a bigger sub in here. So went from a 10-inch to a 12-inch. We got the P3, big old magnet, big sound. Looks freaking sick. And yeah, I got the new, we just kind of modified the box that he had and tossed in the new sub box. So without further ado, let's just jump right into these budget $250 eBay taillights that'll be left down in the link in the description below. Just getting right down to it. Popping these plastics off. Boom. That's how you do it on the Mk6. Get access right there. Those little bolts, I thought they were Torx bits, but they're little nuts. Little nuts on either side. We'll get the inner tail lights pulled off, and then we'll jump to the side ones. Oh, so how'd you do that? You just shimmy it out?
You just push like right on here.
Okay, cool.
And it kind of just pops out.
And it just pops right out. Look at that. You can just see right in there. Right through. Nice. Yeah, so pop that plastic piece off. Get those little nuts in there.
It's 5/16. In case you're curious.
I don't think it's a 5/16 because this is a Euro car, so.
Well, it works.
Side part. Nice. Okay, cool.
There's your
a little bit of wires on the back. We're gonna figure these out. We're gonna figure out what you guys need to connect to get everything to work. Hopefully they just plug and play, but it looks like there's a little extra something. We'll let you guys know. While you guys have the taillights out, wipe out the inside, get any like, I don't know, there was just like water and stuff in there. You gonna fit?
maybe.
Them gonna be nice. I don't know if this is standard, but so the connector on the driver's side of the car is this tan one, right? Okay. And then over here, there's a black one. So I don't know if that's standard on Mark 7s, but this is how it is on our car. So I'm just gonna show what we're doing over here. On the passenger side, with this black connector we have over here, it plugs in with no issues. Clips in like it was made to, perfect. But over here on this tan connector, bar on this side of the connector that directly interferes with, I'll pull it out and show you guys, but there's a little piece on the inside of the tail light, the new one, the black one, that's interfering. So we're gonna pull out this tail light and clear that out. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So you can see this little notch. Okay, so that little notch on the left side, we need to clear that out of the way so that the connector can go in. Because if you look on this guy, there is no notch on that left side. You can see clearly right there. It's a little bit harder to see on the black, but that's what we're gonna clear out on the, try not to scratch those. That's what we're gonna clear out on the new taillights. Before we fix the little clip issue on the smoked tails, we're gonna put this one in because it works. So we're gonna get it dropped in, tighten those nuts up, and then we'll get it plugged in and we'll show you guys everything works. All right, so we got this put in. You can kind of see fit and finish here. Ooh, look at that, lights right up. Okay, yeah. Fit looks good. Looks like there's just a little bit of a gap down here. But in comparison to the top, it looks like everything looks pretty uniform. It looks a little tight right here, but pretty standard. It looks nice, doesn't look wonky. So fits good. And connection works, and we just gotta figure out the turn signal and the other side. Take out this little extra notch that's preventing us from doing what we need to do. Shouts out to Pops, got me a new Dremel for Christmas. This one looks like it's gonna do the trick. All right, just clearance it a little bit more. Oh yeah, baby. To clip in. Oh, baby, let's go. Shouts out to a little Dremel I got for Christmas from the wonderful Pops. Oh yeah, they work, baby, let's go.
That's what we like to see.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna put this one all the way in. Try not to nick anything in there and just clearance that out. Boom, baby. Connector works like a dream, and you heard the click, so you know it's secure. Nice little half and half look if you wanna be like really crazy. Nice, but yeah, fitment looks good. It looks like they're the same on both sides. You know, nice little tight gap up here, and then I think, yep, just a little bit bigger of a gap down here, but I mean, nothing that would bug me. Now we'll move out to the outsides. Let's do it. So we're gonna do this one second, and probably not really show you guys because we gotta deal with the sub in the way, but you're just doing it to your car with nothing in the way. Guy going over here, buddy.
There's a like little spring-loaded screw, just a
on
big,
the inside of the carpet.
Yeah, so there's a little flap right here. You hold back, and then you just take out this screw, and then it should.
It's like a hand-sprung screw. It's like that on the Mark 6s as well. It's like a little plastic turning screw. I'll show you when we pull it out. Here, yeah, here's the little thing I was talking about. We'll just turn this with your hands. Might be a little tight, but you shouldn't need to use a tool for it. I really kind of yank on these. Future TMWYT here. Here you'll see the plastics and the trunk floor removed. You don't need to do any of that. We were taking a look at other stuff. We also needed to fix some of the wiring. As you can see, it looks like a spaghetti mess. We needed to take care of something with the amp, but you don't need to take any of that out to do the taillights. We were just taking a look at some other stuff. Just a little note. And please excuse our ugly ass wiring. We know, we understand. Flame us in the comments. Just be careful of these pins over here. You don't want to snap these off in these little sections right here. But I kind of just lifted it up a little bit so I could get my fingers under here and then just yanked it out because it's got that kind of weather seal around the edge. Now it's out of the way. Now it's out of the way. Now it's
Wait, you broke?
I did? What did I break?
You did.
What did I break?
Right here, look.
Ah, shit. No, I didn't. Where? Aha! You thought I broke it, but it's not broken. What's broken? What's broken?
You broke it.
What's broken?
The table.
He said, our table! Yeah, nothing's broken here. There's just a little rubber seal right there. Just a little rubber seal right there.
Make
sure
sure
it broke.
you clean it.
Now we're gonna
Like
clean all this,
I'm going to
clean all this
do.
muckety muck out of here. So plug it in. Nice. Got it plugged in. All right, now feed all the wires back in. Green guy. Cool. Nice. Okay, I'm good. Fitting it. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Edges on these guys, I swear. The edges on these guys are a little bit weird, like the edges of the actual taillight, but fitment looking nice. Fitment looking nice. Ooh, wee! That looks sick. Guys, these are looking. Yo! That's hard, bro. So we did some research, and it looks like these little wires to make the dynamic, all the extra light functionalities, because right, we plug them in and the lights work. Brake lights work, turn signals work, and you know, some of the stuff that the MK7.5 GTIs have in Europe that the North American Mk7s didn't get. To get that to work, we need to pick up some they're like facelift harnesses that work for the Mk7s that basically make all the functions work on these new taillights. But we're gonna put them in how they are now, and they'll look good, and they'll work, and they'll function, and then he can pick up those harnesses whenever he desires. And when we figure that out, I'll have all the links and everything and show you guys how to do that and everything, and it'll be a whole separate video. But as it stands, $250 eBay taillights, plug and play. Just to get a couple more functions, you're gonna have to pick up some harnesses, and we'll dive into that when we get there. But for now, we're just gonna toss these tails in, plug them in how just standard, normal, not adding any harnesses or anything, and just plug them in how they are right now, and get them all fitted up, and we'll show you the functions that they are, just how they are right there. And so if you just want to pick up $250 smoked tails and not have any of the extra functions or features, then boom, perfect. But if you want all those extra features, we'll do the brainstorming for you and figure out what harnesses we need to pick up and figure that out down the road. Let's finish up the other side and go show you guys these at the gas station. So dope. All right, show me some of the features. See blinker? It's got like these dancing LEDs that look sick. All right, now do brake. Dope. And then put it in reverse. And we got the reverse lights, white LEDs. So that'll help you when you're going in reverse, which is freaking sick. And to get those dynamic turn signals to work, like we said, we'll have to figure out some sort of harness that we'll have to buy extra. But as just a $250 smoked tail light, I think they look freaking awesome. They turned out sick. Fitment's great. You know, it's what you'd expect from a $250 eBay tail light, but quality looks awesome. Lights look awesome. Everything works how it should. And I think it's definitely a big upgrade over the OEM red look. So this is definite must mod for your Mk7 GTI. I'm sure if you don't like the smoked, they probably have an option for just red lenses. But if you want this kind of black housing, clear lens look, it looks so sick, and it's definitely a big upgrade from the rear end of the Mk7. All right, we're just gonna head over to the gas station now. Give you guys a couple cinematic shots of the new taillights. Oh, they look so dope. Guys, you know what it is. We're at the gas station. Let's see these new tails. Camera's about to die, but we're gonna finish out here. Hope you enjoyed the cinematics, the new smoked Euro style LED taillights for Josh's Mk7 GTI. He's got somebody talk to him about the car right now, but they're freaking sick. Even if you don't do the adapters that we're gonna try to figure out to make these sequentials work, they look freaking awesome and work great. Just plug and play as is. For 250 bucks, they fit great, they look great, they look awesome. But you know, as always, I'll update you guys in the future if there's any issues with them. But right now it's a definite 100% recommend. So leave a like down below, tell me what you guys think about this great mod for the Mk7 GTI. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.